my friend, and he said it's toxic. And you said you were gonna heal me to the point it's radioactive. Please look over me. That was hilarious.